This is Robbie with Construction Edge Equipment. Wanted to introduce you to our latest addition to our rental fleet, the Barretto 30 SG Stump Grinder. It's on tracks, gas-powered electric start engine, big wheel with heavy-duty T, all joystick controlled. Super great machine. As you can tell, I've been practicing in my front yard. This is our first go around with this machine. It'll be in the fleet and available Monday morning. I think we've already got a reservation on it. But I'm just going to give y'all a quick overview of it. These are your drive controls. That's left forward, left back, right forward, right back. This is your wand to activate the cutting wheel. You have to pull the trigger, click the button, and then once it's going, you can let go of the button and just hold the trigger. Then this will actually wand it left and right. This control here will bring the wheel up and down as you're cutting. You've got your throttle here, so you'll want to run it almost wide open. And then your key and your choke are actually down here on the front side of the engine. You do have an operator's manual in here for questions, and you can always call us as well. And I'm going to get some video of this thing going. Okay, so we got that big old stump out and got a rake and cleaned up the yard. A couple of other things I didn't mention earlier. Like any gas engine, you're going to want to check the oil, check the air filter from time to time. Your air filter is up here. And again, there's your choke, there's your ignition. Your fuel tank is here, and it does run on gas. Over here on the left-hand side, right above the tracks, you've got a sight glass there. You just want to be able to see oil in it. Number one thing with this is safety, safety, safety. Don't let anybody be around you when you're running it, because it will throw debris. Always wear safety glasses when running it. I'm wearing some now. And you've got this little shield here. You can put it out like we did when we were running, because if you stand just to the left of it, from here, you can run the controls with your right hand, and it gives you really good visibility of what you're doing, where if you run it straight in front of you, you can't see what you're doing. So you're going to want to run it to the left. So when it's in the transport mode, this safety shield will come up here, and it'll be like that. So that's when you load it on and off of the trailers. You don't tear it up and catch it on something. Then when you get out and you get set up next to your stump, you just pick it up, turn it out, and it falls over that knob right there, and you are ready to go. So again, always wear safety glasses. Don't let anybody come too close to you while you're running it. And if you have questions beyond what we've covered in this video and what you can find in the owner's manual, or if it's just easier, call us, text us. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.